I don't know if you can quite see what they're doing, but the mother and father are taking the baby fry into their mouths from the outside and scooping them up and bringing them inside the shelter. And at first I thought they were eating them, and then I saw a couple blog posts online that explained that they like to move their fry around quite a bit in the first week, you know, just to keep them safe and such. So they go in there and drop them off, and this is the first time that I've seen them out. And I got to see them for about 20 minutes before their parents decided, nope, all done. But I thought that was pretty neat.